Well, I'm very, very fortunate. This is my 15th year on the Energy and Commerce Committee, my 10th term in Congress. And energy makes everything run. And in my district with 86,000 manufacturing jobs, I have the largest farm income producing district in the state of Ohio, that if we don't have affordable energy, we're not going to produce and people aren't going to be working. As here at the conference today, when you're thinking about data centers, we have to have a massive amount of power that's going to be running these data centers. And so if we're going to get it done, you're going to be looking across the entire spectrum, especially, as the small modular reactors come on. You have a lot of the data centers that are concerned about that they have a continuous flow of power, that you're going to have what they call behind the meter, that these companies are going to say, well, we'll just have the power right there, so you don't have to worry about the transmission and distribution. It'll be there. But overall, we have so much we're going to have to get done, and it's going to have to be done because we have to have an abundance of power, and it's also that it needs to be affordable, and we also want to make sure we're producing here in the United States. On the opportunity side, I think the opportunities are boundless right now, because when I think about in the 1970s, when we had the gas lines, and people were very concerned that we were going to be pretty much a second-class nation because we couldn't produce our own power and have it. But here we are today, being the number one producer of natural gas in the world, and we can help our friends and allies across the globe. They don't have to be held hostage by Russia in the wintertime. You have the ability to outproduce Saudi Arabia or Russia in oil production on any given day. So I see that what we can do in this country is, as I said, there's no limits. But if we don't have the power and if it's not affordable, we're not going to get it done.